Evening and welcome to another Toyota Celica video, my 1991 Toyota Celica GT. And after the fiasco of the non-start, we're back to the car's original problem. So I say original problem, but it's basically the main problem. Basically, it runs like crap, and I've eliminated a lot of stuff. I've got a few more things I want to try. So I've printed a few pages from the factory workshop manual, and we'll show you what we're going to check next. So this is a basic layout of the fuel injection system that's specific to the engine in this car, the 3SGE. So one possible problem is the cold start injector, and there's a few things I want to try as well. I don't think it's on this. Oh, I need to replace the gasket. That's the gasket for the idle control valve, because if I get the old one out, this is the old. There's the old one. As you can see, it's a bit not all that great anyway. So that's another job I'm going to be doing at some point. So I'll be replacing that, and just get to other pages that I've printed off tonight. There we are, cold start injector. That's I want to do a test on that. Let's have a look. There's something else I want to do. Oh, I want to do a test on the idle control valve. That's something I want to do. It's a bit hard doing this one-handed. What else? Oh yeah, no, I think I'll pull the throttle body off because I need to. Because I need to do that idle control valve gasket, because there's the idle control valve, and yeah, because you can measure resistance on the throttle body as well, so that might be a job worth doing while I've got the throttle body off. Is anything else with the throttle body? That's bloody hard with one hand. Because I'm still on throttle body. What else did I print off? Yeah, I had speed control valve. Probably something I need to test. Yep. Oh yeah. Because I'm needing to change the gasket. You can see the gasket there, and there's our Toyota part. If you want to make a note of that. So anyway, we'll get to taking things off, and we'll get the multimeter up. So I think what I'll do first is get this throttle body off, and then we can get that gasket replaced for the idle control valve. We can do a test on the idle control valve at the same time, and it might give me a bit more room to. This is the cold start injector. Can do some tests on that with the throttle body off. So I'll pull this off. You've seen me do it in a previous video, so I'm not going to show it all over again. Get to you when I've got this throttle body off. Well, I've just got this air intake hose off, and I've just discovered this. There's a big split in it, and I suspect that's probably not helping at all. I don't know if it's the cause of the bad running, but air leaks certainly aren't going to help. And this is probably the original part it left the factory with, so I just have to see if I can source a replacement. I'll be able to get a part number, which is probably the easy bit. It's just getting a replacement intake hose. So I think I'll be putting a peel out onto the forum, so I'm going to carry on pulling this throttle body off. I've got this out of the way. I mean, that could be the problem. We could probably try putting some tape on it just to see as proof of concept. I'll keep on going, and I'll get back to you when I've got this throttle body off. So before I take the idle control valve off, I can measure the resistance, and it's there's three terminals. There's a top, middle, and a bottom. And according to this, if we take a resistance measurement between the top and the bottom terminals. We should be getting somewhere between 19.3 and 22.3 ohms. I'll just show you on the data for you now when you can see that. See, we take a top and bottom, and that's what we should be getting, between 19.3 and 22.3 ohms. So we'll just get the terminals on, just check we're getting continuity. First, just push these terminals in. Yep, so our multimeter's working. I'm getting 16.7, so it's a bit below actually. It's out of range. So I might need to get a replacement idle speed control valve. It's out of range. I'll just try it once more. Oh, I'm getting 19.8. So it's a good thing I checked it again. I'll just do it once more just to be absolutely certain. It's going up. So, oh, it is within. I don't need to replace that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead. I'll replace this gasket in it, which means I have to just move this out of the way. Pull off these 4 screws. I'll find a better place for you guys. I'll just go on top of my tool chest. So just swap out a bit on my impact driver. And a little thing this. Done a video on this particular impact driver. I don't know when it's going to come out. This video might be out before then. So just make sure. Our last screw out, so this should just come right off. All these screws are the same, yes they are. So take this off, and you can see where I've just siliconed it in place. So there you can see I just put silicone in, and it's done its job. So I just pull this stuff off. There we go. It's definitely did its job. It's going to be a bit of a clean. Probably need to clean all this crap out of it. Can do it by hand. So yeah, so just a quick wipe should do it, because all that sealant's pretty much come straight off. So we get our new gasket, which is somewhere under here. There we go. Genuine Toyota part, about £5 from dealer. So we'll get this fitted. So it only goes one way, so you can't get it wrong. There you go, so that is a perfect fit. Let's see which way it goes. That way, yep. So just get our screws started. Just gently wind them in with impact driver. Go ever so gently. And that should do it. So that's our idle control valve tested and the gasket replaced. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it on video, so what I've done is I've got the cold start injector off. I'll give it a good clean with carb cleaner. So I'm going to button everything up. A little test we're going to do, I'm going to leave this disconnected. I'll put throttle body and everything back on and see what it starts like. So all buttoned up, except for this, for the cold start injector. Up on garage bit, so I don't choke myself to death on fumes. I'll go for a start up. Too well, so I'll just plug this in. It don't seem to make any difference. So I don't know if it's working or not. So I might replace that anyway. But what bothers me is the air leak on here. Thing I'm going to try is that see if I can do something with this fuel pressure regulator. So I'll just move it to a different place. Okay, I don't know how you can see from here. Probably best get some light in the situation. Bit of work light. It's about the right spot. Find somewhere better. And the fuel pressure regulator is there, so what I'm going to do is I'll try simple. Just tap on it. Well, the road test didn't happen. Only got as far as the gates, and it was struggling. So whatever our problem is still there. I mean, that cold start injector valve could be still a problem, even though electrically it's fine. But we'll have to. I think I'm gonna have to go after the injectors now. I can't see what else can be apart from fuel pressure regulator, but that means dismantling all inlet manifold. So I'll leave that for another time, and I'm going to wrap it up on this video. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Didn't make much progress. I think we eliminated some things. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell. Questions and comments, you know what to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.